Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to easily adjust table cell width and height in Microsoft Word. First, open your Word document and locate your table. The quickest way to resize a cell is by using your mouse. Hover your cursor over the border of the cell you want to adjust. When the cursor becomes a double-sided arrow, click and drag the border to your desired size. For exact measurements, select the cells, rows, or the entire table. Look at the top of your screen and click on the Layout tab under the Table Tools section. In the Cell Size group, you will see specific boxes for height and width. Use the up and down arrows or type in your exact dimensions. To make your rows or columns uniform, select the table, stay on the Layout tab, and click Distribute Rows or Distribute Columns. This makes everything perfectly equal. You can also use the AutoFit option in the same menu to automatically adjust the table to fit the text inside or to fit the width of your page. That covers the most accurate methods for sizing your tables in Word. Thanks for watching ClearTask and subscribe for more direct tutorials.